Today we are exploring the vibrant world of Holi, facts and traditions. Holi, the festival of colors, is celebrated with much fervor and joy across India and Nepal. But do you know the fascinating factors and traditions that make Holi so special? One of the best known delicacies of Holi is Ghujiya, a sweet dumpling filled with khoa, dried fruits, and nuts fried to perfection. Thandai, a traditional drink for Holi, is a delightful blend of almonds, poppy seeds, rose petals, and more, creating a refreshing treat for the festive occasion. During Holi, the energetic beats of Bhangra fill the air as people dance to celebrate the victory of good over evil. Named after the demon sister Holika, Holi symbolizes the triumph of good over evil, as dedicated in Hindu mythology. The vibrant colors used during Holi are made from natural ingredients like corn flour and rice flour, adding to the eco-friendly essence of the festival. In Nepal, Holi is celebrated as Phagu Purnima, making the arrival of spring with joyous festivities. Holi is not just about one story. It's tapestry of myths and legends that enrich the cultural tapestry of the festival. To prevent staining from the colorful powders, many apply oil or moisturizer to their skin and hair, ensuring an easy cleanup post celebration. Let's not forget the traditional bhang, a milk-based drink infused with cannabis leaves, adding an extra element of merriment to the festivities. With its rich traditions, delicious treats, and vibrant colors, Holi brings communities together in a celebration of joy, love, and the triumph of good over evil. Thanks for watching this video.